this work in this house is about to come to an end. Just to tap it. Yellow pepper, not it. Before I forget. And I can't wait to show you guys the finished look of this apartment, especially my kitchen. Lovelies, how you guys doing? See, I just got here now. The kids and I, the furniture artisan, is around. He just came in and I'm so excited because it's evidence that this work in this house is about to come to an end. The back and forth is about to come to an end. Yeah, I'm so excited right now. He's working in the kitchen, so I'm going to take you guys there so that you're going to see the behind the scene of the work he's doing. So yeah, so excited, and I can't wait to show you guys the finished look of this apartment, especially my kitchen. Right now he's fixing the kitchen wireless charger on that marble I told you guys about. So I'm going to show you guys that and some other things he's doing. So excited because I can't wait anymore for this apartment to be fully done, and especially my kitchen. Lovelies, I can't wait to see the finished look of my kitchen. I just can't wait, and I can't wait to make that kitchen functional for me to start working, for me to start cooking and filming videos. That is my favorite part in this house. That's my favorite place, my safe space in this house. It's my kitchen. So that's why I'm fully involved in the activity that is going on in that kitchen, the work that is going on in that kitchen. I'm fully involved, although I'm involved in other parts of the house, but especially the kitchen. I don't want anything to go wrong in that kitchen. And he brought this too, the side stool for my island. It's wooden side stool. We manage it. It's not like it's something I really liked, but I'm not going to complain at this point because I just want the work to be done and let me move into my house. So we can't move into this house right now because it's still cutting and there are some little amendments that is going on. So if we move in, if we are here now and he's around now, where is he going to sleep? And when he's cutting those things are still going to stain everywhere and dirty everywhere. And the major challenge is that I don't want any artisan to be in my house while I'm here. So yeah, that is it. So we are just going to wait for all of them to finish up before we move in finally. So now he has started working. So let me go and show you guys what he's doing. Misha, hold on, I'm coming, okay? And this is the stool. This is a wooden stool, and this is the wireless charger. He has placed his phone on it, and it's charging. I've not used this. Yeah, it's working. So he's working currently in the kitchen. Yeah, work is going on here. Hey, he's around. Can you guys see? So he's back. Lovelies, can you see what I'm seeing? So this is the plug for my rounds. Okay, it's going to go down like this, abi?
This one.
Okay, you just push it down. Okay. So if I want to plug my blender, okay, I need to press it. Just to touch it, just to tap it. Oh, you bought it. So I can plug anything here. Oh, this is nice. I'm loving this. I love it. So I'm just going to plug anything here. This is nice. I'm loving my kitchen. Yes, this is the best part. My best part in this house. and it says it's on now, so everywhere kind of be cold now. The first time I'm having this in my kitchen, and I love it. This one of the wardrobe. Okay, on there. So this is the assistant, and the boss is in the living room cutting. Mira, come this way. That place is just too busy. I want something go just dey simple then the.
So you know get box, nothing.
No, at least it will have box now.
Like when I mean box, like shelf.
Some shelf to put something inside.
Right.
No, now storage space. No, because this place now, there's no way my man can get to that place to put anything. This thing that came in, see, this one you can just put it there. Then before you put board to it. I don't know if you understand. Hi, to cut this thing is see as your body just dirty once. Oh my goodness. See how your body is dirty. Hi my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. So this morning I'm going to the market to get ingredients I need to film a recipe video, and I'm filming plantain frittata. I won't be going with my car. I'm going to be using a public transport, and I'm going to be using the popular keke napep. That is what is common here in my area, so that's what I'm going to be using to go to the market. So let's go to the market together with that. So this video is going to come up before that recipe video, or either ways I'm going to put the video somewhere here so that you can go and watch it whichever way, or I can link this video to the other one. So whichever way I'm going to do that. Okay, so now let's just go to the market and buy these ingredients. Junction. Good morning.
Almost everything.
Yes.
Fried rice.
Yes.
3,000, 2,000. That one was
Yellow pepper, not it. I'm like, give me something for that one now. That one. This one done the.
this video where they do, I know they do. Somebody don't first call. That's what they do.
You video your face.
See, now person when now something.
Person video your face.
Wait, now person make person they react.
Normally, if person not the grimace video, I need to buy from there, or not make me the ask.
No worry.
I make her the ask.
I not like. I put the video say me not like her.
And now for the person not video your face, now video your face.
You not video my face.
As long as not video your face, and now we see they buy video now.
Carrot.
Don't make anything. Give me carrot. How much? Onions 500. The onions big sharp. Okay, give me this one. I prefer this one.
You don't video this one. Take this one.
buy hot dog. How much? Lovelies, I'm back from the market. That should be 2 hours ago, and something happened in the market I want to share with you guys. See, this has not happened to me. I've been hearing it on other people's vlog, but it has not really happened to me. I've not experienced it. But anyway, I ran down here because my furniture guy, this artisan, he wants to work on the store, so I want to show him what he needs to do. And by the way, he has fixed some things in that kitchen, and I'm going to show you guys that before I leave. So what happened in the market? Hey God. See, people have been saying that in some places they don't allow them to vlog. Like some people, they don't like camera. Some people, they don't want them to video things you are buying and paying with your money. See, I experienced this in the market today. I'm going to insert the clip so that you guys can see what I'm saying. Hear the sound of the lady and know what I'm saying. See, these people, they are real. I've not experienced it. All this while I've been vlogging, I've not experienced criticism from vlogging. Most times, if I tell somebody that, okay, this is what I'm doing, I just want to vlog my item I'm buying, your face is not going to be on the video, they will allow me to do what I'm doing. But this lady, hers is different. She does not like it at all. She doesn't like the camera at all. See, I almost did not buy from her because I don't like people like that. If you don't want me to vlog, I will carry my money to somewhere else. Yes, and I was even telling her that see, I don't buy from people that don't want me to vlog. And I think maybe that was what softened her a little, and she allowed me to do what I'm doing, but she was still insisting and hammering on that. Yes, so that's what I experienced in the market today, and I did not see that coming. I did not see that coming at all. I did not see that coming at all. I just feel I should share that with you guys. And these people, they don't know that if we did not vlog, we are not going to have clips we are going to use for our content. They don't know that. So let me go and show you guys the kitchen, what this guy has done, the updates on my kitchen. Yeah, so this should be day 3 of his working in the kitchen since he came back. Yeah, so let me go and show you guys what he has done so far. I'm loving my kitchen. So he's going to remove that top. That is what we went to buy the board for. He's going to remove that top, that cabinet on my extractor. Yeah, so that is what he wants to do now. Before I forget, that's my size 2. That's my size 2. It did. I don't like that size 2. I feel I should share this with you guys. And what do you guys think? Do you think that size 2 is giving what it's supposed to give? I think it's not giving. I think it's not fine. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section what you think about that size 2. I don't like it. I might go and get foreign size 2. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section about that. This 2 is super comfy to sit on, but it is not aesthetically pleasing. And yeah, at this point, we want everything to be pleasing to the sight. Everything should be looking good and all of that. But yeah, it is what it is. So just let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? So let me carry you guys along and show you what is going on in that kitchen. This is it. This is what I'm saying. What do you guys think about this? What do you think about this? Left to me, I'm not really impressed with this. But what do you think? Should I get something else? I can't complain at this point because it has taken a long period of time, so I just can't complain at this point. I want everything to be done. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Your opinion counts. Yeah, he has fixed the lights for this area. This section, there's light now. Don't mind these things he placed on it, they are still working. And this place I showed you guys earlier, he has fixed it. That board, that was supposed to be there. He has fixed it. Yeah, so yeah, it's still working. It's not done yet. It's still working. So this is for my store. This is where the event to get board for, and this is why I ran down to the site to show him this, so that he's not going to do something else. So he wanted to make something like this, but I don't want it to look like this. I just want it to get to the end, and it's not going to be as high as this, because this other part I'm going to be putting my pots here. Some other pots I'm going to be putting them here. Yeah, so it's going to extend this shelf forward a little. So I just want to do there. So I came here now to let him know what he's going to do in this section, okay? And I'm going to give you guys a full tour when everything is set in this store. These cabinets, they are just cabinets for storage, for storing your bag of rice, your bag of anything you want to store. I want to store. And this is my door. I'm loving it. This is swing door. Yeah, so this is my swing door. It can go forward, it can come back on its own. So if I want to carry everything, I can just open it like this and leave it. It's going to move by itself. So can you see? So yeah, lovely. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful in any way, please leave your thoughts with me in the comment section. And if you are not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification button, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Lots of kisses. Bye for now. Mwah.